Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. Casio just released a new W800HD model with a steel bracelet. It looks good with the same reliable resin case as the old W800H, but now in a silver finish. I was interested, but I already have a modded W800H with a timer. And while the silver metal version looks interesting, I think a black one with a metal bracelet would be great too. So I got myself a donor watch for the metal bracelet, the Skmei 1335, as reviewed on this channel last time. I will put the link in the description. This royal-inspired model has an 18mm lug width, and the bracelet fits many general Casio models. Okay, now I will remove the resin bands from the W800, then remove the metal bracelet from the Skmei 1335. Next, attach the metal bracelet to the W800H. Here is how it looks, a black W800H with a metal bracelet. I think this looks better than I expected, although the bracelet rattles a bit and feels slightly sharp on the edges. What do you think? Thank you for watching, have a great day.